Students, how are you all? This is Shravanti. You are watching Maths for You. So this is another lecture on Hermitian and Skew-Hermitian matrix. Let's first discuss about the Hermitian matrix. So now, what is the definition? A square matrix. Here, what is that? You have to take the square matrix that is of order n. A square matrix is said to be Hermitian matrix if it satisfies. What is the condition? A bar. What is that? A conjugate. Please, if you want to know about the conjugate, please watch my previous lectures. Then A conjugate is equals to A transpose. What is this? A conjugate is equal to A transpose, or else, or A conjugate transpose is equals to A. These both should, any one of these conditions is satisfied, then that square matrix of order n is said to be Hermitian matrix. In some textbooks, or somebody will notate bar with the theta also. Conjugate means, but here I am denoting with the bar symbol. What is your Hermitian? If it satisfies this condition or else this condition, then that square matrix is known or said to be Hermitian. Let's see one example. Let us take A is equals to 4. Let us take example A equals to 4, 1 plus 3i, 1 minus 3i and 7. What is the order? 2 cross 2 is the order of the matrix. This is the matrix A. So now you have to find the Hermitian matrix of this A, right? So now what you have to find? First you have to find A conjugate. What is the conjugate? Changing the complex form into its conjugate, that is x plus y to x minus iy. Already we have discussed x plus iy, x minus iy. This is the conjugate. If is that, and this is z bar. So manaki ichina ee matrix lo first manam conjugate find out cheyali. Conjugate ante only complex number ni manam dani yoka conjugate ante 1 plus 3i ni manam ela rastam conjugate 1 minus 3i. Alane 1 minus 3i ni 1 plus 3, that is known as the conjugate of the matrix. And here the important point is that in a Hermitian matrix, the diagonal element should be real. Okay na? Hermitian matrix lo manaki diagonal elements ela undali? Real ayi undali. First we'll find out the A conjugate. Now A conjugate is equal to 4 remains the same. Now 1 plus 3i, what is the conjugate? 1 minus 3i, the sign will be changed only for the imaginary part, not for real. 1 plus 3i conjugate is 1 minus 3i, that is 1 plus 3i, and the 7 remains as it is. This is A conjugate. Next what we will find? A transpose. This is A transpose. This is A. Then what is A transpose? A transpose means you can change row into column or column to row. So now I am changing. This is your row. This is R1. So now write this row to column. Ee row kada. Ee row ni column lak change cheddam 4. And this is 1 plus 3i. And what is this? This is your R2. R2 can be interchanged to what? C1. That is 1 minus 3i 7. No? 1 minus 3i 7. What is this? A transpose, and this is your A conjugate. What should satisfy the condition? A conjugate equal to A transpose. If these both are equal, the matrix A is said to be the Hermitian matrix. This is your A, and this is your A conjugate, and this is your A transpose. Please check whether these both matrices are equal or not. 4 1 minus 3i, 4 1 minus 3i, 1 plus 3i 7, 1 plus 3i 7. So therefore this A, what happens here? Our conjugate is equals to transpose. So then what you can say, this is a Hermitian matrix. For this example, same you can find out this also. Let's see how we will find A transpose. No, so here already we have find out what we have find out here. This is your A. Here find out your A conjugate. Then what you have to do? E conjugate ki transpose find out. This is your conjugate. So transfer to, yes, transpose. Now A conjugate transpose. So you have to transpose this row to column. What is this? 1 4. This is your R1. Ee R1 ni manam ela rayali? C1 ki ravali. 4 1 minus 3i, and this is your R2. Change to C2. That is 1 plus 3i 7. So please check whether this is like your A or not. 4 into 1 plus 3i, 1 minus 3i into 4. yes అంటే ఈ కండిషన్ కూడా you can check whether both the condition రెండిట్లో ఏదో ఒక కండిషన్ మీరు satisfy చేస్తే and that is said to be that matrix is said to be the Hermitian. Please conjugate means what? You have to interchange the sign of the complex number only, that is for only the imaginary part. ఓన్లీ ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్ కి మనకి సైన్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, ఆ విధంగా సైన్ చేస్తే కాంజుగేట్ అవుతుంది. ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ అంటే ఏంటిది? రోని కాలమ్ లకి ఆర్ కాలమ్ ని రోలకి ఎలా అయినా చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చు, అది ట్రాన్స్పోజ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదైనా మీకు సాటిస్ఫై అయితే దాన్ని ఏమంటారు మీరు? హెర్మిషియన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అంటారు. లెట్స్ సీ వన్ అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Let's see another example of order 3 cross 3, right? So 3 cross 3. So now you have to check whether this is a Hermitian matrix or not. So now first you can check whether this condition or this condition, any condition is satisfied, then it's said to be that matrix A is said to be Hermitian. This is the easiest way to check whether the matrix A is not, because if the matrix A is given, just you have to check the conjugate and you have to transpose it. So now this is your matrix A. So now what you have to do? You have to check its conjugate. Conjugate means what? The complex number you are changing its sign, that is conjugate. Again I am saying if 2 plus 3i is there, this is your complex number. What is the conjugate? Z bar. What is 2 minus 3i? The sign will be changed for only the imaginary part. So let's see here. Now you have to find out that is conjugate. What happens? Let's see. The real value. See here, in the Hermitian matrix always the diagonal elements are what? Real. And that real numbers won't be changed if you do the transpose or else if you do the conjugate, right? The real values remains the same. So now 3 remains the same. Now we have, what is the conjugate of 7 minus 4 iota? You can say iota or else I. 7 plus 4i. సో నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను? దీనికి కాంజుగేట్ రాస్తున్నాను. 7 minus 4i కి 7 plus 4i. Only the sign is changed for the imaginary one. And here minus 2. This what happens here? Minus 5i. So this is your R1 here. 7 minus 4i. This 2 remains the same, minus 2. Here 3 plus I, it becomes 3 minus I. Notice minus 2 as it is, you have to change the symbol for imaginary. This is plus 5i and this is 3 plus I and this is 4 remains same, of order 3. This is your conjugate. Now what you have to do? You have to transpose. So let's transpose this. What happens? Let's see. Transpose. This is your R1. No, R1. This is your R1, right? So now you have to change this R1 to C1. So let's transpose to C1. This is 3. Now 7 plus 4i. Next minus 2 minus 5i. ఈ R1 కాస్త మీకు ఏమైపోయింది? C1. Now again change. This is your R2. R2 to C2. What happens here? 7 minus 4i minus 2 3 minus I. Same as it is for R2. Minus 2 plus 5i 3 plus I 4. So this is your transpose. Let's see. Is this our matrix A or not? Let's see. Yes, this is our A. So what happened here? This condition is satisfied. A conjugate of whole transpose is equals to A. And the given matrix A is nothing but the Hermitian matrix. Let's see the another definition, that is Skew-Hermitian matrix. Same, but what is the change here? Minus symbol, right? So in the Hermitian matrix manaki em ravali? A conjugate, A transpose. What is this? This is nothing but the conjugate. You have to remember, this is A conjugate and this is your transpose. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ అయితే మనం ఏమంటాము? Hermitian matrix అంటాము. సేమ్ హియర్, బట్ ద కాంజుగేట్ కి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ కి ఏంటి? మనకి ఇక్కడ మైనస్ సైన్ రావాలి. సో దాన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ ద Skew-Hermitian matrix. So same. Let's see one example here. I have taken the matrix A. First మీరు ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? సేమ్ హియర్ you have to find out the conjugate. Then let's see what happens. Now I am writing the conjugate. Conjugate అంటే ఏం చెప్పాను కదా? ఏంటి? Just we have to change the symbols, right? This is minus 3i, this is plus 3i. Now 2 plus, this is 2 minus 3i, minus 2 minus I and plus I. So only the imaginary signs will be changed. This is true. What is this? A conjugate. Now you will find A transpose. What is A transpose? This is your A row. This is your row which is changed to your column. -3 ఈ రోని నేను కాలమ్ గా రాసాను. మళ్ళీ ఈ రో -2 plus I and minus I. So this is your transpose. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏం రావాలి? ఈ transpose is equals to minus of A. If I find this minus, దీన్ని చూడండి, minus A conjugate find out చేయండి. అంటే you are giving minus sign here. This is -3I, right? -2 plus I, right? Here minus into minus plus 2 plus I and here minus I. This is your minus A conjugate. Let's see, these both are equal or not. -3I minus 2 plus I, right? So 2 plus I minus I, 2 plus I minus I. So if these both are equal, what are that? If A transpose is equals to minus A conjugate, and that matrix A is known as the Skew-Hermitian matrix. So here you have to remember that. What is the difference? I am telling the difference. This is your Hermitian and this is your Skew-Hermitian. So this is your Hermitian matrix and this is your Skew-Hermitian matrix. So here in the Hermitian matrix, this both conjugate and transpose should equal. So here also both conjugate and transpose should equal, but minus of this conjugate. And the second, this is the first point, and coming to the second point is that in this Hermitian matrix, the diagonal elements, right, the principal diagonal should be the real numbers. Whenever coming to the Skew-Hermitian matrix, the principal diagonal elements may be purely imaginary or else zeros. Already we have discussed in the skew symmetric matrix. What happens? In the skew means all the diagonal elements are 0. Here also same, maybe 0, but maybe contain purely imaginary avachchu, 0 avachchu. So this is your Hermitian and Skew-Hermitian, which is the most important topic. Thank you for watching.